Good morning, my dear boys of class 12. We were in the chapter Children, Women and Sports. I was in the topic postural deformities. Now I have completed few postural deformities through my video lecture. Today, one topic, one postural deformity, bow legs. Bow legs will be covered. Now, what is bow leg? This is also a very common postural deformities like the other postural defects. This is a postural defect where the knees are wide apart from each other, even though the ankles and the feet are together. Now, imagine the situation. There is a wide gap between the knees, whereas at the end, the ankle and feet one can join. The whole leg looks like a bow. The leg from top to bottom, it looks like a bow. This defect is seen among the children and sometimes among the adults also. This deformity leads to difficulty in walking, running and standing. The mechanism of running or the mechanism of walking is hampered due to these deformity. Now, what is the cause of bow leg? The main cause of bow leg is the deficiency of vitamin D. And you know very well, my dear boys, that deficiency of vitamin B also leads to ricket. This is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, all these things, and the bones are bent, especially the bone between the ankle and knee joint. This bone is bent. Bow leg can also be caused, it may happen due to the growth disorder in growth also, और ओवरस्ट्रेनिंग ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन पड़ना, वो भी बचपन में, ओवरस्ट्रेनिंग में लीड टू द bow leg. Now, what is the corrective measure? Corrective measure, the children who are suffering from bow leg must be given vitamin D and calcium supplements. They should be given. They should eat calcium based and vitamin D based supplements, food. This may be included in their daily diet. The infants and the children should never be forced to stand for prolonged span of time with the load. There are some corrective exercise. Tie the knees with cloth so that the knees remain close together. Perform the exercises which strengthens leg. So these are the corrective measures to rectify bow leg. Thank you very much.